From time to time we wonder how fast technology is growing. Well, that's a great question. Because technology is growing really fast. Even faster than newspapers and blogs post their news. That's why engineers are trying to find the way to battle technology in the 21st century. We have to keep our eyes on the future and be aware of the eventual changes that this may include. Stay with us in TechAddict to stay updated with the latest technologies with faster growing. Artificial intelligence is a technology that we already know. It basically consists in equipping computer systems to make decisions like humans. Some interesting tasks that artificial intelligence can make could be recognizing patterns and recognizing speeches. Some big companies that uses AI are navigation apps like Uber, technology enterprises for their voice assistants like Siri from Apple, or streaming platforms like Netflix. Some jobs that could be created as a result of AI are machine learning engineering, data scientist, and computer vision engineering. Data science is the technology that helps to make sense of complicated data. This includes business data, sales data, customer profile information, server data, and financial figures. The average salary of a data scientist is $117,000 per year. Getting a job in this field will require you to have a thorough understanding of mathematics, statistics, computer science, and programming. Job opportunities that data science can create could be data scientist, business intelligence manager, data engineer. The IoT, Internet of Things, is a network of devices that are connected to each other. These devices may be connected via Wi-Fi, and they share data about their environments and how they are being used. It is predicted that more than 41 billion devices powered by IoT will be used by 2025. IoT not only enables the connection between different devices but also their remote access. For example, you lock doors of your car remotely, preheat your ovens and geysers. Blockchain is the foundational technology that powers electronic currencies such as cryptocurrencies. It is an electronic ledger that can be shared among different users. This helps in creating a record of transactions that cannot be altered. Each of these records is time-stamped and linked to the previous one. Blockchain is updated after the different parties contributing to the ledger agree. After new data is fed into a block, it cannot be erased. This makes technology verifiable and secure. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is a technology used for automating daily tasks. This software is used for automating repetitive tasks such as handling and replying to emails, processing transactions, and handling business data. RPA can automate more than 40% of daily tasks. According to McKinsey, more than 60% of all repetitive tasks can be partially automated using RPA. So, this technology is going to threaten a lot of jobs. Also, this technology will also create many job opportunities in the automation sector. The most popular vendors that provide RPA tools are Pegasystems, Blue Prism, UiPath, Automation Anywhere, and WorkFusion. Companies such as Accenture, Deloitte, and Capgemini use RPA tools to automate their daily operations. VR is the technology by which you can immerse yourself in an environment that seems astonishingly realistic. It is the use of computer technology for creating a simulated environment. It is very popularly used for playing computer games. Unlike traditional games where you experience the gaming environment by viewing it on the screen, you are directly placed in the environment. Senses such as touch, hearing, smell, and vision are simulated in these environments. Using VR gear such as headsets, you can walk around and play the game in that 3D world. Augmented reality, AR, is the technology used for improving this virtual environment. The major players in this field are Facebook's Oculus Rift, Sony's PlayStation VR, PSVR, and the HTC Vive. The VR technology is not only used for entertainment, but it is also used by the US Navy and Coast Guard for training staff. They use a VR game called Virtual Ship. AR and VR are used by doctors while performing surgery. Visitors in an amusement park or a museum can also use the technology to enhance their experience. Edge computing is the latest technology trend that is getting famous by the day. The technology is based on the philosophy of bringing computing power as close to the data source. This helps in reducing bandwidth and latency. The technology aims to run fewer processes in the cloud and shifting those processes to locations such as the user's system or an edge server. Bridging this gap between the data and the computation reduces the long-distance communication between the server and the client, which in turn enhances the speed of the process. This is why edge computing is used for handling time-sensitive data stored in remote locations that have limited connectivity to the central location. The technology will make cloud computing and IoT devices faster. It is estimated that by 2022, the edge computing market will be worth $7 billion. The technology will be popular in areas such as healthcare, retail, and manufacturing. Thus, it will open the doors to many job opportunities. It is expected that the salary range of an edge computing professional will be around $100,400 to $123,000 per annum. Intelligent apps are software applications that make use of AI components such as machine learning, deep learning, data analytics, robotics, and natural language processing. They help you in making decisions based on real-time data or historical data. Examples of intelligent apps are voice assistants such as Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. As companies such as Google, Apple, and Oracle continue investing in these applications, it is bound to create a lot of jobs in the future. Intelligent applications developers are sure to bring home fat paychecks. We hope you liked our Trending Technologies article. In this fiercely competitive IT industry, getting a job is becoming tough. But, if you keep upskilling and continue learning new tools, you will surely grab your dream job.